Hello friends, welcome to Polyfield. Let's do a rigid body simulation today. First, remove this default cube. Now, let's take a IQ sphere. Uh, take it little higher. For the rigid body, go to the physics tab and give it a rigid body and keep it active. And all are okay. Let's play it, and it's just falling. So it's falling down. Let's create a surface, then it will fall on the surface. For that, let's take a plane, make it little bigger, maybe this bigger. Okay, we have to give the rigid body physics to this plane too, otherwise this mesh is fall through the surface. Let's give it rigid body too, and make sure to change this to passive, otherwise this one will fall too. Let me show you like this. If you change this to passive, this one will not fall. Let's play. Yeah, it's falling down to this surface. So this is the rigid body simulation. Okay, let's make this little interesting. Let's change this to a field, and let's change this IQ sphere to the ball. So first, do this field, click on the surface, go to the particles, and okay, I am doing this little faster and not describing everything. If you want more details, I have a separated video for these grasses and the ball. I will leave description. I will leave links in the description. Okay, I'm doing it little faster. It's kind of brownie, maybe 0.32. This works. With a little greenish color, even material, and like this. Okay, we have our grass. Let's change this to a football. First, give solution surface, modifier 22, and apply. Go to the remote, select this one. Okay, now we have our ball, football, and the grass field. Let's do a little lighting here. It's too dark. Remove this default one. Let me add a new light. Maybe a area light will be helpful. With little higher. Make it bigger. Okay. Now give it some power. 1000, maybe more, even more. Okay, this one looks nice. Let's try again. Let's try our rigid body again. Okay, it's falling nicely, but it looks like some soft and some soft solid things. Real ball should be bounce a little, and it should have some more weight. So to do the bounce, let's go to the physics tab. In the rigid body, change this to mesh. Now let's try again. No, not helping. Oh, let's change this to mesh 2. This is important. Now try again. Yes, now we have a little bounce. So, uh, to make this more realistic, we can add a collision physics to the ball. And let's see. Yes, the ball is rolling a little more. Let's add some more balls. We can copy this one. By copying this one, we will copy the rigid body and all collision physics too. Let's copy 2, 3, and okay, some more. Let's fold them together. Let's see how it looks. Okay, now the problem, you can see the balls are falling, and instead of rolling they are just sliding. A ball should roll, not slide. You can see again, they are falling, and see this one is sliding and this one is also sliding. They should roll. Mm, they should roll like a sphere. Yes, we made a mistake. We made a mistake here. Let's fix this. Remove all of this and fix in one. Let's change this to sphere. Let's see what it will look like. So mesh. Okay. Collision, sphere, everything is okay. Let's copy some. Okay, let's try again. Yes, now we have our rolling. Okay, that's it guys. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and leave me a comment if you need any specific tutorial. I'll try to make it for you. Thank you for watching.